Joseline Nabakoza uri principal nursing officer abwirwaro rya Kagadi nagira ngo abazaarisa tibaine ebikwato byokoresa omukuzaza abakazi ngo kandi obwire bwingi abazaarisa nibaguma barukweyiya obwo abandi barukoresa sente zabo kureba ngo batambira omwana hamwe na nyina w'omwana.
So you find the midwife, she's at risk, the risk to the mother and the risk to the what? To the midwife herself. Because everything we are trying to use, we are improvising.
Omu myezi ebiri ehwire abakazi mushanju n'obwerere abiri nabona nibwo biferira hirwaro rya Kagadi kandi okurigirira ahari Severino Thembo buri mukazi orukufa ninga omwana nibajunana omuzaarisa bitu kandi ekitahikire.
Also when we come to the facilities because of unfavorable conditions that we are limited to have few midwives working on these mothers. On top of the stress, you are stressed because you are losing someone that you feel you would have saved.
We have one penguin sucker. It works in maternity, again it crosses to the what? To the NICU. But we are trying to what? To save life. The conditions which we are working in, they are not conducive.
Omukwezi ku 12 omwaka oguhwire abashomira hirwaro rya Kagadi People's Secondary bakaza hirwaro rya Kagadi na munonga omuwodi y'abakazi hamwe n'akashenje akabana abarukuzarwa batahikire kandi ezi nizumwe ahanshonga ezabaresere.
Giba Kagadi People's Students Association birabe na munana December mwaka gwe tukabungire hirwaro twagenda maternity oba abakazi mbere bazalira n'abana twabahereza ebisembo twabahereza n'ebintu byali byetagisibwa.
Abarwaire condition ezimu zitaro kati ngano Kagadi ezikira kuba maybe mukazi izire nenda neyenda kugamu ora izire nakaba ora ino muswija ine typhoid inenda endwaire ziri za bulikiro kyonkaro ezindi zitukwega zitwisaine kumbanya hande zitaro
raw men involvement nta times tukusanga ntabasajja tibajumbire kuonyera abakazi babo kandi abakazi obajja kebeza abasajja tibajja kufuna obukonyezi kuruga mubasaho kuboleka engeri bina kutekaniza abakazi babo.
Benjamin Tumusime omuhwezo w'omujwecurwa wa president omu district ya Kagadi nagira ngo Kagadi abana bari kutwarinda batahikire nibeyongera kandi niko kushaba abazaarisa n'abashaho kuguma bari kushomesa abantu akabi akari aha kutwarinda omuhiki y'abakiri muto.
These things are prevented. If we can go back and do the needful, I will appreciate you the more. You have saved lives, you have helped mothers, you have helped young ones. The population has grown and the country is proud of you midwives.
Buri mwaka ebiro bitano okwezi kwa gatano abazaarisa omusiyona nibaba nibijuka ekiro cyabo. Gashakwa Somas tumwebaze.